Hi, welcome to my garage. Dave again. Still working on the Healey, working on the wiring. Anyway, I'll show you what I got going here in just a second. Did find a couple of things, so let's get over there. Anyway, we got Sarai in here visiting me. She's getting brave coming out to the shop. But anyway, got the dash figured out. Got the one more pull, push switch I needed. So anyway, I've been chasing wires under the hood and had to pull the windshield wiper motor out to figure out how to hook that up. But I've been up under here, some wires had fallen out and weren't connected to anything, so I've been chasing those. And there's still one right here, blue-black, that I can't figure out where it goes, so I'll be chasing that and figuring out the wiper motor and finishing off this wiring. And then I'm pretty sure I can get the dash in, get this stuff all neat and sorted out. I need to make one bracket to hold this, and actually I need to change that. It's 40 amp, I need a 50 amp, so I'll change that out. And let's see what else. Well, you can see where I had to extend that bracket so it would fit up into the hole correctly. Had to do it on both sides. So hey, all the fun stuff. Wouldn't be any fun if it was easy, I guess. So anyway, that's all I'll be doing today. I'll get back to you. Okay, well, I got the dash up here, and I'm going to be plugging these in, and I think I know where the spaghetti goes, but it'll be interesting to try and get this finished up and the dash in there fully installed. Well, I worked on this wiring and got a lot of it hooked up. I have to pick up a couple of ends, and I'm still chasing some wires over here. Some of these go to the windshield wiper, and I'll chase the rest of them, see where they go. But I'm kind of hampered. I had carpal tunnel, so made it a little difficult. Anyway, then I have to run, I don't know if you can see them back there, the air ducts. I got one run over there, and I have to run one to here. And then somehow get the dash in there. But it's coming along. Man, I hate wiring. Thanks, Robert, for coming and helping me. Not. Oh. Anyway, hopefully today I'll get this finished. Change the 40 amp fuse to a 50 amp. And then I'll start checking, see what works. Anyway, trying to get this wiring sorted out. I got the factory wiring for the thing basically done, but I was having trouble hooking up to the Mustang 2 heater controls and air conditioning. This didn't even say anything in the book, so looked online. Of course, I'm not internet savvy. So I called one friend. He said, Google. So I did. Couldn't find anything, of course. So then I called my friend Tony and said, hey, you got any schematics for Mustang 2 wiring? 10 seconds later, he sends me schematics for several different years. One was the right one. So anyway, let me show you what I'm doing. Anyway, here's all the gobbledygook wire in here. So I was pretty sure I was pretty sure the brown one here went to power. It's good size. But there was these two, green and purple. So with the schematic, I was able to find out that the green one went to the dryer, so for the air conditioner, and then the purple one on the schematic just ran off the page. So anyway, I called my friend and he says, yeah, let me look that up again. So Tony looked it up, and it goes to a fuse, so it goes over the fuse box too, like the power one. So anyway, I'll get these wired up and then we'll start checking stuff. Plus, this is for the light in here, so I'll get that hooked up to dash lights, and I think I'll be done, and then, like I said, check everything. It's been a lot of fun. Not really, especially when you hate doing wiring. So anyway, that'll make it all nice and neat, and hope everything works fine. Well, I got the wiring all done. Cross your fingers, mine. Anyway, I'm going to put the battery in and we'll see what happens. Everything out of the way. Anyway, I got the wires in. The wiper motor just came on all by itself. Anyway, and the, what else was it? Something else. Oh, the heater speeds. Only one speed, and it came on. So anyway, I'm working through it. Like I said, I'm just got the stitches out from my carpal tunnel, so I'm taking the day off today and get back to it tomorrow. And I did find the starter switch. All the terminals would come on sometimes, and one of them never came on at all. So I got that ordered, and I'll get that in as soon as it gets back here. But I can test other circuits. I'll just put this one back in and test some other circuits. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you.